Dee. We've not done an update since last weekend. So, let me give you an update on the current state of the projects, and then I have to do some staining. So, the Walnut case. As we all remember this was actually... I was waiting for my detail sander. Detail sanders turned up. It was chained. It was stained black cherry. But because of the corners where I used that 2-part filler, it didn't actually cover it. So I am now using a General Finish Black Noir gel stain to cover it. I did the outside last night. I need to do the inside. So my job in a minute is to do the inside. On the post, the second post is here. It is ready to rock and roll. I need to cut it to size, do a bunch of sanding, and then get it trimmed. Then we've got to make the tops. The other post, so I'm doing 2 of them, is sitting here next to the steam train. It's sitting here. It's trimmed. It's ready to rock. It's waiting for the top. I missed a package today. It was work. I missed a package today. So today, Sial Art tried to deliver. So my silicone and my resin is sitting at the post office, or will be sitting at the post office for me tomorrow. I'll grab that, and then we get into hopefully making a mould. And the display case will be done tonight. It won't take too long. The oak post, it's a toss-up. I kind of want to make the top, but I also want to finish the post. I'll see what the weather does. Not that it makes much difference really, but I want to finish that post and get that post did and done and did. I want that done and out of the way. So maybe I'll not build the mould this weekend. I'll build it during the week and film it and get that done. Anyway, I'll do a fast forward video of me staining and getting this thing out of the way, because I want to finish getting this stained so I can actually get on to something else. Enjoy the fast forwards. Like and subscribe or something. Or subscribe and like, whichever way you want. Oh, excuse the foot that's poking out. Right. Oh, I need some music. I need some tunes. I don't want to sound. Like I was saying, if you're using gel stain, wear longer gloves or longer sleeves, because you're going to get it on you. Gloves and cloths are going straight into a pot of water, because they will spontaneously combust. This is done, and yes, I overstained it, and I overstained it on purpose. The reason for that is I'm going to let it soak in for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to buff it off. What this is going to do, and I can see it, but you probably won't see it on camera, this has got a black cherry stain upon it. The black just goes in, darkens it, so it ends up being a really dark black cherry stain. I'll try and post a picture in a future video when I do an update on this. It just looks mint. Also, it hides my fuck up, so winner. Cool, so that's the update. This is pretty much done, apart from a coat of polyurethane, but I'll wait for a nice sunny day to do that, and I'm not going to film me spraying this with polyurethane. It's pointless. So, thank you for watching. Peace. Laters.